the drive-thru waiting to take my COVID-19 PCR test for Ghana. I am at CVS, and it is a legitimate PCR test to travel with. It is also free. So if you are planning on going to Ghana, check it out. Alright guys, so we have the swab. Just pull it open without touching the
Not me.
So wait for about 15 seconds in the nose, and then you do the same thing to the other side.
Just 50. 50. 50 people are watching now.
Alright. Not touch it. Put it in. There is a tip to break off. Seal tightly. And put it back in the bag.
Not like that. Like this. Then I got so white here. No, but they're pink.
Alright guys, so there you have it.
Look.
That was my COVID test at CVS. Again, it is free. Also, make sure you read the instructions before you do it. I had actually done that before, so that's why I kind of just did it. But please do follow the instructions before you do it. And it is acceptable if you are traveling to Ghana. It is a legitimate PCR test for travel, and you should be receiving your results within 1 to 2 days. So I will definitely keep you posted and let you know how that goes, and I will continue to share my journey to Ghana this December. It's about to be lit, y'all. Ghana in December. Ghana in December. Alright, so if you have not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Please do comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, this is gonna be a very quick video. So I basically just got through security, and everything went so smoothly. The CVS test was accepted, and I had no issues. At first I was kind of nervous because I thought it wasn't gonna get here on time, and it actually did. The results came in within a day, and yeah, everything was okay. So get ready and take a trip with me to Ghana. Hey guys, we're heading to Ghana. Oh yeah. So guys, a few things have actually changed. You need to be fully vaccinated before you go to Ghana.